Welcome guys, today I am with the Jabra Elite 3 and I'm going to show you how you can connect them to your iPhone. Okay, so the first we have to just take them from the case, open it like that, and then click and hold these two buttons until this indicator starts blinking on the blue. Just like that. As you can see, it's blinking, so we can release the buttons. And we have to simply go for the Bluetooth settings on our iPhone. So open this main settings, go for the Bluetooth right here, tap on the switcher to power on Bluetooth. And as you can see, the Jabra Elite 3 appears on the screen. So we can just tap on them once. And as you can see right now, we are connected. And there's also a second way where we can find more features. We have to open the App Store and we have to get the Jabra Sound application. So let's make it, that's very simple. Jabra Sound Plus. Let's get this up. Okay, as you can see, right now we can click open, accept all of these permissions that pops on the screen. Click pair. Tap continue at the bottom, tap skip. Accept this push notifications, and there it is. Right now we are in the application and we are connected. So as you can see, that's very simple. When you previously connect them by Bluetooth settings, you will already have them in the app. That's all. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.